A multi-million peso isolation facility for asymptomatic COVID-19 patients is under construction in Surigao del Norte, while the Davao LGU ICE-2 storage facilities for COVID-19 vaccines. All these stories and more in our provincial roundup by Venus Garcia.
In Cebu, the local government is now preparing 8 barangay isolation centers or BICs for asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. Out of over 1,700 active cases in Cebu as of February 3, 90% are symptomatic or showing no symptoms of the dreaded disease. The BIC is meant to discourage the practice of home quarantine for asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. In Surigao del Norte, a COVID-19 isolation facility worth almost 4 million pesos is being constructed in Sitio Canlagsik, Purok 4, Barangay Alambique in Higakit. Mayor Chandro Bonite said that even though there is no notable surge in the number of COVID-19 cases yet in Higakit, they are preparing for any eventuality. In Davao, the local government is now preparing for the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccines. Dr. Ashley Lopez, the city health officer, said that the vaccines need to be stored in a -70°C freezer. The local government is looking at 2 facilities, one in the Southern Philippines Medical Center and the COVID-19 lab in the Los Amigos, Tugbok District. In Cagayan de Oro, the PDEA Region 10 and the Anti-Money Laundering Council enforced the Court of Appeals freeze order against properties of Rico Bacon, reportedly a drug personality in Bulwa. Aside from Bulwa, Bacon reportedly also has real estate properties elsewhere, 11 in Misamis Oriental, 5 in Cagayan de Oro, and a condominium unit in Manila.
Ang objective po natin dito, in order to totally neutralize the syndicates of illegal drug trafficking, is not only to arrest the drug personalities, but also to forfeit all the assets or proceeds of the illegal drug trafficking.
Venus Garcia of the Philippine Information Agency Caraga for The Nation.